This is Max. And this is Adam. They are the troublemaker.
What a mess they made.
It's time to unleash the clean of vacuum wash, all in one. It's both vacuum and washer, even close to edges. Up to the 460-watt waterproof motor, it has extremely suction power.
Oh, that's hard, right?
No, we can easily rotate and clean the bottom. Dual roller brushes, combined with automatic water dispensing, ensure a thorough cleaning. Gently press to activate manual water spray mode, effectively removing stubborn stains. Switch to the carpet brush head for professional handling of carpet dirt. Cleans any surface. Reaches everywhere.
Auto mode.
Automatic suction adjustment in auto mode. Automatic mess deduction. With the multiple accessories, you can clean wherever you want.
Low battery.
Don't worry,
Oh no, come on.
it can change the battery. After cleaning, just single click.
Self-cleaning started.
Automatic self-cleaning and drying. Now you can enjoy your family moment.